All right, now if you have your profiles created, or you have any settings created on your scanner and you want to retain these, what you should do is under your Manage, find your profiles. Of course, they're here. And in order to save them, you go into Service, and under Service there's a button that says Backup. If I hit Backup, I can actually back up my profiles over here. I can back up operators, parameters, of course, but I will give this a name. I'll call this Standard Profiles. And again, I'm not using a space, I'm using an underscore because I know it's safer. So we'll do this. We'll hit Backup. And what it'll do is it'll create a file on the SD card if you have one slid into your scanner, in this case a Core or a Premium scanner, which then you can reinstate upon receiving the scanner from factory where it's been reset, or if somebody changes some of your settings. So just for proving the point, we will go and actually delete a couple of these. We'll delete this profile. We'll delete this guy. Delete this guy. And let's say delete this guy. And now you realize, oh, oops, I lost my profiles. Easiest way of doing it is having that SD card that you created the backup inserted onto or into your scanner. Hit Restore. Restore will kind of, I guess, search for any backup files on the SD card that's in there. It shows that they're standard profiles. It says that it will bring them in. I'll just hit Restore. Of course, it'll warn you that it's going to do it. You say Restore, and this is how you reinstate the missing profiles that you luckily backed up beforehand. So give it a second here. Let's go back home, Manage, Profiles, and they're back. So that's the easiest way of not having to input them manually. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below.